Good morning to all. Let us start to complete the exercise 23.5, that is the chapter name is probability from the book Innovative Math Books. See the exercise 23.5. Last class I have completed from this exercise 23.5 number 1 to 5. See the question number 6 what is given. What is the probability of choosing a prime number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 to 9 given? So first we'll select what are the prime numbers. Total numbers are given 1 to 9, 9 numbers are given. What are the prime numbers? That is 2, 3, 5, 7 prime numbers. So what are the prime numbers? First you select, then the probability of selecting prime numbers. See how to solve number 6. Question number 6, exercise 23.5, chapter probability. The sample space is here. Here sample space are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, total number of elements even in sample space is how much? 9. And we have to select prime numbers. So, prime numbers are, what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are like 2, 3, 5, 7. Total how many prime numbers are there? 4 prime numbers are there. Okay. Therefore, probability of getting prime numbers. The number of prime numbers, that is 4. Total number of prime numbers present in this sample space is 4. Divided total number of elementary even in sample space, that is 9. The answer is 4 by 9. This is the answer of number 6. Let us say number 7. Question number 7. A bag contains 4 white and 19 black balls. A ball is drawn at random. What is the probability of getting a white ball? So first of all, you have to count total number of balls present in the bag, that is 4 plus 19, that is 23. And number of white ball 4, therefore probability of getting white ball is equal to 4 by 23. Let's see how to solve. Number 20. First of all, in this question number 7, number of white ball equal to how much? 4 white balls are there, and number of black balls equal to 19. Therefore total number of balls equal to 4 plus 19, that is 23. Very easy to calculate. And we have to find out probability of getting white ball. That means number of white ball is how much? 4. Divided total number of balls present in the bag, that is 23. This is the answer. Just this is the way of solving the probability. Very simple question, concept based question. Next question number 8. Question number 8. A die is thrown 15 times. The total number of is 15, that is the sample space. The number 4 appears 10 times. The elementary event is 10 times. So what is the probability of getting a number 4? So how many times it is coming 4? 10 times. So 10 by 15 is the answer. Just see. Question number 8. A die thrown 15 times. Therefore, the NS, total number of elementary event present in sample space, is 15. And number of elementary event equal to the 4 appears 10 times. Therefore, probability of getting 4. How many times it is coming? 10 times. 10 by total number of elements present in sample space, that is 15. It will go by 5. 5 2 is 5 3. Answer is 2 by 3. Question number 9. Just see question number 9 what is given. Question number 9. A box contains some balls which are marked with number from 1 to 10. The balls are present marking 1 to 10. If a ball is done at random, find the probability of getting a ball having a prime number and an odd number multiple of 3. First of all, write 1 to 10. which are prime number, which are odd number, which are multiple, then it is easily clearly visible for you. Then you have to calculate the probability of getting prime number, probability of getting an odd number, probability of getting a multiple of 3. Just see. So here the sample space is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the sample space. The balls present having number 1, 2, 3, 4. The first part, probability of getting prime number. Probability of getting prime. So how many prime numbers are there? Prime number like 2, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. Lowest prime number 2, 2, 3, 5, 7 is a prime number. Okay. And total number of elements present in sample space. That means 4 by 10 to go by 2, 2, 5, 2 by 5. The second part, the probability of getting an odd number. The odd number means the lowest odd number is 1 here. 1 is an odd number, 1, 3, 5, 7, 7, 9. Okay. And total number of elements present in sample space. So how many here? 5. 5 by 10. 5 by 10 means 1 by 2. Okay. And last one is probability of multiple of 3. The last one is probability of multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means what are the multiple of 3? Like 3, 6, 9. 3, 3, 6 and 9. 3 numbers which are multiple of 3. 3 by total means 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is the answer. In this one, number 9 also completed. And let us go last question, that is number 10 question. Just see. Question number 10. A coin is tossed 70 times. Total number of times the coin tossed, that is 70 times, that is the sample space. Ns is equal to 70 times. A head occurs 42 times. The find the probability of getting a head. Okay, probability of getting a head. The head coming how many times? 42 times. Just see. So here, total number of elements present in sample space. How many times the coin toss? That is 70 times. That means n is equal to 70. And the elementary event, that means head coming how many times? Whenever the coin toss 70 times, out of 70 times, head comes 42 times. 42 times, that is the elementary event. Therefore, probability of getting head. The number of times head comes, that is 42. A total number of elementary event in sample, that is 70. It will go by 7. 7, 6, 7, 10. And then it will go by 2, 3, by 5. This is the required answer of number 10. In this exercise 23.5 totally completed. Solving from number 1 to 10. Here the basic concept based 10 forward chapter. Okay. Let me discuss about some short answer type question from this exercise. Just see. A box contains 3 red marbles. Just oral discussion. A box contains 3 red marbles, 6 blue marbles. The total number of marbles present in the box is 3 plus 6, 9. The probability of selecting blue marbles, the probability of selecting blue marble means number of blue, that is 6, 6 by 9. 6 by 9, it will go 6 by 9 means 2 by 3. Answer is 2 by 3. Oral discussion. The probability of selecting M from the word maths. So M coming only one time, that means 1 by total letters have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 by 5. C is the answer. Number 5. The probability of choosing a month from a year having 30 days. The first one is see how many months having 30 days. That by total number of months, that means total is 12. Yes or no? So which month have 30 days, that you have to select out of 12 months from January to December. Okay, very easy you have to do of your own. Last question, short answer type question. A die is rolled. The probability of getting 3. Whenever dice is rolled, what are the sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elementary events are there. The poet getting 3 only 3 coming only one time. 1 by 6 is the answer. Okay. And this number 5 of it is you have to do because very stylish sum. A month having 30 days from January to December, you see how many months having 30 days, that by total number of months, that by total 12. Okay, thank you for today class. Next day I will do next exercise.